Hi students, today we are going to discuss the new chapter in politics, that is understanding laws. The law, that is you all are familiar with the word or the concept. Okay, in our country we have rule of law. Rule of law means in our Indian constitution all the persons are treated equally before law. There is a no discrimination on the basis of their caste, religion, wealth, or there is no discrimination on the basis of is it government official or the poor or other working people. That means all the person in our country are treated equally before law. That means all are equal before law. We know that India was ruled by the British or the British people, and they are introduced the rule of law for the country. All the British law it was an arbitrary, and the British government passed an act, Sedition Act, in the year 1870. According to this act, the idea of sedition was very broadly. We can understand that the Britishers they can arrest Indian person or the reason because of the reason is that if any person is criticizing the British government they can or they could be arrested Indians without due trial. This is a sedition act. I said I'm repeating, Britishers passed lot of law or rule of law that it was introduced by Britishers in India. According to their law, the law was arbitrary, and whatever the laws passed by the Britishers it could be oppressed or it suppressed the rights of Indian people. Under the Sedition Act, any person protesting or criticizing the existing British government, the British government could arrest the Indian people without any trial. Those act or those law which was passed by the British government, the Indians they could not have any voice. They always suppressed the Indians, and the Britishers passed whatever the laws. After 19th century, the Indian great leaders they were tried to against the British laws, and they were considered the Britishers they passed unjust laws. So many Indian leaders and many Indian judges tried to make the legal rights for Indians. Many of the people in Indians were participated in forming of decision making in our India for to make a good law or respectful law for our country. We know that after the independence we have constitution. Our constitution passed several laws with the help of our representatives, and our each representatives forming many laws in several years, and they revised the existing laws. In 2005, our Indian Constitution revised a new act, that is Hindu Succession Act. According to this act, the son, the daughter, and their mother have the right of property of their family. That means husband's property that has the right to women, is a wife and son and daughter, they all have the right of property of their family. The next topic, that is how do we new laws comes. We know that our parliament is always sensitive to the needs of the people, and the representatives of the people they were the members of the parliament, and the parliament make new laws and revising new laws. That means our government have three organs: legislature, executive, and judiciary. And the part of parliament, legislature is a law making organ. Legislature make the new laws for the country, and it's also revise the laws and change the existing laws. And the parliament makes whatever the laws just on the basis of the needs, aspiration, and demand of the people. That means parliament know the pulse of the people, then only they form the different laws for the country. The last topic, that is unpopular and controversial laws. We already discussed that our parliament passed different or several laws for the welfare of our country. and all the laws that may be it's in a constitutionally valid and also it's legal laws, but it may create some kind of unpopularity or people sometimes it is not acceptable. That means if the government or the parliament pass some laws, it may be unacceptable law or it's unpopular. It's only sometimes it was happened. If it is unpopular or unacceptable to the laws of the people, they will try to criticize the law of the government. And they will criticize these laws in newspapers, journals, and public meetings, etc. And they were these people means we the people try to criticize the law that passed by government, and they were pressurize the government to change or withdrawal of this law.